So right now it's currently 8:30ish right now, though today's kind of my day off. My friend was like, hey, do you want to go on a day trip? We're meeting up at my friend's house first though, so that's in Riverside. Gonna head out there right now and see what's up. Alright, so I'm here in Riverside with my friend Vinh.
Hey.
And we're about to head out, so see you later. So we just finished our impromptu hike that we didn't plan for, but it was pretty cool. And Vinh decided to look for Danish food places, and we found a couple. We were gonna come back to this one Danish store, but he asked them, they were actually closed, but they were still, I don't know. We just got lucky, right?
Yeah.
We got pretty lucky.
We just got one of the last ones.
Yeah, we got one of the last ones. So Vinh bought
Apple skivers.